Hi guys, we're at Totton level crossing in Hampshire with Spike, South Coast level crossing in Joe. What's it down for? Right. 12:50 on Saturday 26th of March 2016, this is for. Hour 12:54, 1026 Southwest train service from Weymouth to Southampton Central. We're only going to get one proper shot here. By the way guys, I'm filming off the footbridge because, as you guys know, I like filming off footbridges. This is the one footbridge. I hear the horn already. I can't see it, but I heard the horn. Where is it going from? We're with Southampton. By the way guys, I apologise for the wind. Triple four 006. Triple 006 to Southampton, from Weymouth to Southampton Central, and so they know where we're going. Up they go. Thanks for watching guys, please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.